Hi guys! Hello and mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you're doing well and amazing. And for today's video reaction, and this is a video request reaction from our previous video to Dawid Podsiadlo. I'll put in the video and the clips, and also you can read the comments also with that person who suggested with this one. I know guys, a lot of you who supported with this amazing artist all the way from Poland. Oh goodness gracious, I'm so excited with this one. And yeah, the title of this video that we need to do some reaction for today is a performance of Dawid Podsiadlo, Niz Nojomi, Nojuz ZPGE Naruduego 2809-2029. I know it's been like 5 years ago already, this video, but I think this is so amazing and incredible. And credit also with the owner of the video to Dawid Podsiadlo. I'll put on the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video and watch the full video, since we have to make some few cuts of it for the video reaction purposes. And thank you guys for suggesting with this one, and please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see in the description box below. Let's get to it and enjoy with this amazing video of Dawid Podsiadlo. Have fun with this one, guys.
You're a superhero.
Oh wow, this is a huge concert. PGE Norodui 2809-2019. This is a huge crowd. Wow. I love the beat of introduction. Huge stadium. Oh wow! Oh wow! I love the way how he just started, because those beautiful mellow tone, the control, and those emotion, the facial expression, goodness gracious. And I love seeing this like big stadium, and I think it's full pack. This is maybe his concert. It was so amazing. I really like the sweetness of his voice, those like connection with the audience, and that's crazy incredible. That's why this person was loved by the Polish and other people all around the globe, because he's crazy incredible. Those like emotion he just put as the introduction. Wow, phenomenal.
Oh shit.
I love the band. I love the dimples. Wow. Oh my.
Every day
I really like his like range of voice, and I know the people of Poland when he did this like concert, they know the songs. I know that this song is very famous. I really like the emotions. I really like the lines and the story of this song. It's so really amazing, and I'm so happy and glad that making this video request reaction, because the more I just discovered with him how talented, how his voice is so beautiful and amazing, that he just like controlling with that. It's just easy for him, but still like those high pitches he just giving, those tone, it's like incredibly amazing, and you will fall in love with him because his talent is like beyond. Wow, bravo. Oh, nice. Oh, the crowd were crazy. Oh, oh my God. Those were crazy. Goodness. That's how you perform. You killed it. You just nailed it, and like rocking the stage, and people were like crazy about it. Your song is so amazing, and this is how you, David, I so in love. This is how you do it. You're enjoying, you're having fun, you have given them all that, like they're paying, but still people love your performance. And yeah, I connected with it. It's so beautiful concert. Love it. Wow. Oh my God. This is the concert I wanted. Wow. Oh my God, those rock thing that he just giving. I cannot imagine how he just like without breathing with it. That's phenomenal. I really like it. He just rocking with it, enjoying and having fun. Whew. This is how you do it. This is how you just entertain your audience. If people watches your show, it's like they're very happy and contented with this amazing performance of yours. Goodness, that's why it was hit like a 5 million, like more than 5 million, 25 million views in YouTube just for 5 years. And this is incredible. You perform it so well, and I really like his tone of voice. So rocking with it. Oh. Nice. Oh God. Whew, mind blown. Wow. Woo. Bravo. That was truly insane, beautiful performance from the audience, from the orchestra or the drummers, the guitarists, the backup singers, the whole stage, the stadium was so incredible, amazing, and beautiful. This is a nice performance, and thank you guys for suggesting this one because he showed his talent, those rock thing. He just hit the stage, leaving no crumbs, and that's fantastic. And if you enjoyed, and if you have some suggestions and comments for my next video reaction to any performances of Dawid or any artist from Poland, put in the comment section. I would love to read and respond with you all. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see in the description box below. And you can help this channel by sending your super thanks that you can see in here. Thank you so much. God bless, and see you in my next video reaction. Bye bye, guys. Have a good day, everyone.